Hello students, we are starting with the new subject, that is e-waste 1. This is the new subject for you, but it is similar like e-waste but not much difficulty. You will hope you will understand. And e-waste 1 we are going to do, that is life cycle of animals. So in our environment there are many animals, there are many kind of animals. So we are going to learn how the process the birth process, how is the life cycle of the animals we are going to learn. So can you tell me, look at the picture and their mother in the picture, do you see any similarity? Yes, I can see any similarity, that the color, yes, and the shapes, the size, there is a similarity of the mothers. Yes, the puppies and the mother have similarities. Though puppy are small in size, they are much alike to their mother in feature, color, etc. Yes, you can see that there is the similarity of the mother and the children. And look at the butterfly and the caterpillar. Caterpillar means small caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Do you see any similarities? So this is the caterpillar, okay, and this is the butterfly. When if some people don't know about this, that the caterpillar, when it grows, it become a butterfly. Okay, so the what is the question? It is, do you find any similarity? I can't find any similarity. Where is the butterfly and where is the caterpillar? As I know that caterpillar, that butterfly gives the eggs. Yes. So when they come out, is they look similar? No, it doesn't look similar. Butterfly and no, the butterfly and its caterpillar do have any similarity. When the caterpillar grows, full its feature changes completely and it transforms into a butterfly. So there is a process when they come out from the egg and how they grows in a butterfly. So there is a process. But in the case of a puppy and in human beings and any other animals, that is lion, dog, there is no kind of process. When they get birth, they look like their parents. Okay, but in some insects, yes, so they have the process of development, how they grow. Can you tell me, a hen lay eggs, chicks come out of those eggs, do kitten come out of eggs? You can see this. This is the hen and this is the kitten, the chicks. And you everyone know, from the egg the chicks come out. What is the question is asking? Do kittens are those, the smallest cat, the small cat, the baby cats, come out of their eggs? No, they directly come out. The cat doesn't give the eggs, as everyone know. It or a similar way with the dog. Dog doesn't give the egg. It directly give the birth to the children. In the same way, kitten give the births. No, kitten take birth. They do not come out of those eggs, but are born from the mother body. Yes, they are born from the mother body. So the next we are going to learn, that is, there are three main type of method of developing young one in animals. So there are three method that we are going to see. These are taking birth. First one is taking birth from mother tummy, means mother body. Hatching out of the egg means breaking the egg. And metamorphosis. This is the main thing of metamorphosis that I will tell you in the end part. So the growth of animals. So animals is split in three ways, that is laying eggs and taking birth from mother tummy or showing metamorphosis. So the animals, uh, the growth of animals is split in three parts. Some animals, some means that insects, whatever, it is included in animals. So that they give the eggs, first one. Second one, they take the birth from mother tummy, means mother stomachs. mother tummy, and the third one is showing metamorphosis. Showing metamorphosis, that is the stage wise. So it will grow like this, then it will convert it, then again it will convert it, and again he will make come into a original one. That how the uh, animal has given the birth. So first we will come to laying eggs. Birds, fish, frogs, snakes, ants. Young one hatch out from the eggs. So these are the one who give the eggs. Who are they? Who gives the eggs? Birds, fish, frog, snake, ants. I will show you the picture of this. You can see this laying eggs. What I have told you, I have showed you the five picture. You can see this is a bird. She is laying the egg. Yes, you can see the egg. This is the frog, and this is the frog egg. No one has seen this. I am showing you. This is the good way to see it. See it properly. This is the frog eggs, and this is the fish egg. Fish also gives the eggs, and how you can see this. How does it look? This is the ant egg. You can see this white one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are the 9 eggs of ants. We can't see because they are very tiny. Some eggs are very tiny, so we can't see it. Yes. The snake egg. Everyone knows that snake gives eggs. Yes. So the next one is taking birth from mother's tummy. So, for example, cow, sheep, dog, cat, humans. Young ones are born to their mother. They suck milk from their mother. They have hairs on their body. They have eternal years. So, what the sentence is saying that cow, sheep, dog, cat, and we humans take birth from mother body, and we for the growth of the development we take milk of our mother. And to some animals, when they means some animal when they born, they already have their hairs on their body. So there are few animals I can name it, that is the horse, cat, lion. You have seen that the horse, cat, lion, gorillas, they have the already hairs on the body. And for example, deer, yes, deer, elephant, they don't have the hairs on the body. So the few them already born, they have already have the hairs, and some don't have the hairs. So I will show you the picture of that. As you can see this, the cow has given a birth of a calf. Do you find any hairs? Yes, everyone has the hairs, but not that much that other animals have. Yes, they have. This is the calf. What I have told you, for the growth of the development, उनका growth होने के लिए they suck the milk. They drink the milk of their mother to become bigger and bigger and bigger. And this is the gorilla, and it is a baby of gorilla. You can see that hair. Mother is also having hair, and child also. From the born time, they have the hair. There are few animals. Okay. So the next one is where we are showing metamorphosis. So I have told there is a transformation part. So I will explain you this one. This is very important. Example, insects. Uh, there are different stages of development. The young one is very difficult from the adult. When this insects showing metamorphosis, who shows showing metamorphosis is only the insects. So when they when the insects give lays the egg, जब वो eggs देती है तब उनका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चालू होता है अंदर से ही. जब वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बाहर आते तभी भी उनका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चलते ही रहता है. when they birth, जब वो बर्थ होते हैं तब वो बहुत डिफरेंट होता है जब जिसने उसे बॉर्न किया है और जो उसका बेबी है. दे आर वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. So I will show you that I have got two images of that. So I will show you that showing metamorphosis. You can see this is the insect. When he lays the egg, it look like this. After transformation, it looks like this. After more transformation, it looked like this, and it finally it became this. So it doesn't come out of the egg, it transforming continuously continue for the development process to become like this. Now there is a life cycle of a bee. I am showing the life cycle. You can see this. This is a small egg of a bee. When the transformation begins, it look like this. Inside this, it is going transformation. After when when the bee completely grown, it breaks that the shelter type, and it come out. Okay, this is the showing metamorphosis, means development process and transformation. So the what is the next content is the chick is born. The chicken is born from an egg. And let's see the statements all. Hen lays the egg. Yes, hen lays the egg means जो hen है मुर्गी वो अंडा देती है. Lays mean अंडा देना. When chicks grow inside the egg, they need warmth. जब chicks अंदर रहते, चीक्स मीन जो छोटे छोटे हेन के बच्चे लोग रहते हैं वो अंदर रहते हैं अंडे के, तो वो बाहर आते हैं ना, तो उनको और अंदर से ग्रो करने के लिए, उनको और अंदर से ग्रो होने के लिए हेन उनके ऊपर बैठी रहती है. सो वी डोंट नो दैट व्हाई हेन इज सिटिंग लाइक दैट. आई विल शो यू द फुल प्रोसेस अगेन. So the chicks grow inside the egg to for their chicks growth of development. Chicks की growth के development के लिए hen sit on that egg. तो उनको warm एक गरम feel होने के लिए और उससे उनका development होने के लिए hen उसके ऊपर बैठती है. Mother sits on the egg to warm them. गरम देने के लिए वो बैठती है. This is called hatching the egg. This is called hatching the eggs. When mother sits on the egg to give the warmth to the chicks, the egg, this is called hatching the eggs. During hatching, the hen does not leave the coop. When there is the hatching process, जब hatching का process होता है, जब warm feel होता है, जब उनका time आता है बाहर आने का, तब हमारे जो hen है, मुर्गी है, वो कूप मीन्स उन लोग का घर, hen का भी घर होता है, उसे हम कूप बोलते हैं, तो वो कूप से बाहर नहीं आती है. If we try the hen to come out, so whenever we take out the hen from his coop, so at that time she come out. But when is the process of hatching, जब वो उसे warm दे रही है, warm feel दे रही है egg को, तो she became aggressive, गुस्सा हो जाती है और वो protect करती है अपने eggs को for the safety. So the hen has the something feeling that if I will get up from that, someone will take my egg. Yes, so she become aggressive and she protects her egg. When the growth is completed, जब growth पूरा complete हो जाता है, the young chick breaks the eggshell. वो eggshell को तोड़ के बाहर आ जाती है. I will show you the one more again development. When the hen gives an egg, okay, for the growth and the development of the egg. So the hen gives the warm while sitting on the egg. It gives the warm feeling while sitting on the egg. During this process, when the hen is protecting the egg, she became aggressive and she doesn't leave the coop. And this process is called, when the mother is giving warmth to the egg, it is called hatching the eggs. And next, when the development completes, the hen breaks the eggshell and they come out and they became chicks. Okay, this is the process of the development. Now we have come to the metamorphosis. First, we will see what the sentence is there. So the young one borns to their mother, and the young one that hatch out from the eggs have many similar with their mothers. Yes, when the young one born from the mother. So for example, I have born from my mother tummy. So I and my mother have similar. We look similar. There is some features and there is some similarity between me and my mother. Yes, I am a human, so there is my similarity with my me and my mother. And some hatch out from the eggs. So what I have told you, that the process of hen, that is the hatching out of the egg, they have the similar feature. You can see the here, it looks similar like this. It has a beak. That cheek also has a beak. So there is some similarities and colors between hen and that cheeks. But the caterpillar and the adult butterfly are quite different in the feature. I have showed you in the first that picture that it is a caterpillar and this is the butterfly. You can't see any kind of similarities of feature whatever. There is nothing similarities between them. This change in form is called metamorphosis. When caterpillar changes and transform into a adult butterfly, that changing process is called metamorphosis. जब caterpillar चेंज होता है, ट्रांसफॉर्म होता है अडल्ट एक बिग बटरफ्लाई में, उसे हम मेटामॉर्फोसिस बोलते हैं. वी सी मेटामॉर्फोसिस इन मेनी इंसेक्ट्स. हम ये मेटामॉर्फोसिस बहुत सारे इंसेक्ट्स में देख सकते हैं. मेटामॉर्फोसिस इन बटरफ्लाई. अभी हम मेटामॉर्फोसिस बटरफ्लाई में देखेंगे कि उसकी क्या क्या स्टेजेस है. देर आर 4 स्टेजेस. जब डेवलपमेंट है प्रोसेस का, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का, उसमें 4 स्टेजेस है ऑफ द ग्रोथ ऑफ अ बटरफ्लाई. फर्स्ट वन इज एग, लार्वा और कैटरपिलर. लार्वा, caterpillar is same, and adult and pupa. Okay, the plain tiger butterfly is the common type of butterfly seen in many regions. Okay, you can see this plain tiger butterfly is the common tiger of butterfly seen in many regions. You have seen many of the butterfly. Plain tiger means brownish color. Yes, now we will learn in detail about this. So here we go. First we will see the sentence. What is it? So the life cycle of plain tiger butterfly. The female of plain tiger butterfly lays egg on the leaves of milkweed or rui tree. What is the sentence is telling? The female of plain tiger butterfly lays egg. The butterfly lay करती है means egg दे देती है. कहाँ पे? Rui tree means कापूस जो रहता है, rui tree and the milkweed. वहाँ पे लीव्स पे देती है, नॉट ऑन द ट्री, लीव्स पे देती है. लार्वा इमर्ज आउट ऑफ द एग विद इन 6 to 8 days. So the second process is larva. Second process is larva. So what is it going there? That it emerge out of the egg within 6 to 8 days. It takes 6 to 8 days to come, means to come out from that egg. And larva and caterpillar are both the same. This larva are called caterpillar. This larva is called caterpillar. Caterpillar eats very fast and also grows very rapidly. You have seen that many plants that you find some caterpillars eating and eating leaves. They eat so much of leaves and they grow very fast. The body of caterpillar is elongated with fibers on the body. They have the fibers on the body. Caterpillar shield its old skin, that is it molt within 2 to 2.5 days. It molt 4 times during the caterpillar stage. That the caterpillar shield is old skin and it molt within 2 to 2.5 days. It take molt to 2 to 2.5 days, and it sometimes it means if it is molt, if you are, means the butterflies want to molt it 4 times during the caterpillar stage. Okay, so the caterpillar spins the protective case of fibers around its body and become pupa within 10 to 12 days. So the caterpillar spins it. So the caterpillar, to protect, means I am a caterpillar, so to protect myself, so I will spin a fiber, a shield type protective case around my body, and and it will become a pupa. So I will show you the image of a pupa later on. I will show you. So the pupa is the third stage. Within 10 to 12 days, it takes 20 to 12 days. Okay, so metamorphosis in butterfly, we will keep on this. So the next one is pupa keeps on changing inside the case. When the caterpillar is inside that pupa, it changes inside that pupa, that the outer part is called pupa. So in that it is changing, it is transforming into a butterfly. So the case of pupa stage of butterfly is called chrysalisis. During this stage, attractive wings and long legs develop. During the pupa stage, the butterfly, that the stage is called chrysalisis, and in that stage, the inside that pupa, the butterfly um, takes means make attractive wings and the long legs develop. They have the legs. The pupa stage is for 11 to 12 days. You can see here, for making that pupa it takes 10 to 12 days. For the development for that process it takes 11 to 12 days. After the development is completed, when the whole development is completed, the adult butterfly breaks breaks that case, that pupa open that case and flies out. It flies out. Different types of butterflies shows similar life cycle consisting of 4 stages. Every means there are different butterflies show the same process. Okay, metamorphosis in butterfly, you can see this. What I have told in the first, that the adult butterfly lays the egg on leaf, that is leaf of rui tree or milkwood. When they hatched out from that egg, it becomes caterpillar, or we can call larva. This caterpillar grows very rapidly and eats very fast. This is the full grown caterpillar. Okay, when this caterpillar protect himself by making the cage of fiber around its body like this. This process is called cryolization. When the caterpillar is inside the pupa, it is in that is process is called cryolization. When the development is going inside that pupa, that wings are coming out, developing of legs, long legs. So the butterfly breaks that case, that shell, that pupa, and it come out of free of carylysis, and it become a adult butterfly. This is the development process of butterfly that we call metamorphosis in butterfly. Now we have come to the exercise. Fill in the blanks. The female butterfly lays eggs dash on leaves, that is eggs. What the female butterfly lays, where does it lays? On the leaves. What she lays? Eggs. The larva of butterfly is called as caterpillar. True or false? A lamb emerged from an egg. False. We cannot easily see the eggs of an ant because they are very tiny. Yes, when I was showing the ant eggs, I have told you that we can't see the ant egg. I have shown you in that picture, but when you go, if you find the ant, you can't find any ant eggs. So that is true. When the caterpillar emerges from the egg, it is not very hungry. False. That is the first statement. Exercise, answer in brief. Why must the hen sit on her egg? The hen, the chicks grow inside the egg. They need warmth from the growth. Therefore, mother hen sit on the egg to give warmth. This warmth helps the chicks to grow the hatch. Before hen must sit on her egg. As I told you that process of the hen. Why does a hen become aggressive when she is hatching her egg? Hen is alert and she is fear for the safety of her egg. So in order to protect the eggs from intruder, she became aggressive when she is hatching her eggs. Next is answer in brief, that we are going to continue. Which are the four stages of life cycle of a butterfly? That is egg, larva or capital we can say, pupa and adult are the four stage of the life cycle of a butterfly. What changes take place inside the chrysalis of the plain tiger butterfly? Plain tiger butterfly pupa stop feeding completely, shows falling changes in the body. That is, its legs grow longer. It develop attractive wings. The body grows completely, and pupa turns into a adult butterfly. Activity is draw and color the picture of a plain tiger butterfly in EVS notebook. You have to draw a very nice plain butterfly, tiger butterfly in your EVS notebook, and you have to color it. Read and write the exercise in EVS notebook. You have to do this. What I have shown you, the question answer, you have to write in your EVS notebook. And this is the means I have two questions that I have to ask you from. Would you find any kind of similarity between you and your parent? If it is, you have to give me in two lines. And the second one is, can we hatch butterfly for learning their characteristics? Is it proper to catch the butterfly? For according to our environment, that butterfly is a part of a nature environment, so it is not so that we should not catch the butterfly, because the butterfly also have a life, we also have a life. If someone catch us and throw in the cage, how would we feel? We will feel that we will feel very bad. Okay, so that, keeping in mind that we should not keep butterfly and we should not catch the butterfly, and we should not give troubles to butterfly, because they are also uh, living this life. Yes, and for that learning process we can learn from any way. There are many ways to learn and the characteristics of butterfly. Yes, I hope you will understand this video. Thank you.